Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Jay, that drain guy. We got to go to an apartment building today and we got to look at the elevator drain. So let's see what we find. All right, guys, so we're in the boiler room. We believe this is the pit for the elevator shaft. You can see it's up water. The sump pump discharge line was completely corroded and broken, like it's just a waste. So we're gonna try to repipe this and see if we can get this going. Hopefully this is everything that needs to be done. So let's get at it. Now this is going to be a quick fix. The management wanted me to just get this thing going so that they could have the elevator operational. We're going to have to come back and actually repipe this better with the proper stuff. So like I should be using another attachment, a male to female, MIP, with the pipe going straight up. So these are 1.5 Fernco couplings. This is 1.5 PVC pipe, system 15. We will have to get some zip ties to make sure this stays properly attached. Here we go, we're going to plug it in. Hello. Hey, Carm. I think I might actually be good. I had some pipe in my van, some System 15, and because they had this sump pump, and they had like a plastic corrugated pipe, almost like a laundry drain. You know those plastic, yeah. So they had one of those hooked up, but I noticed that the pump wasn't even plugged in. So I plugged in the pump, and it's like the water is just swirling around. It's like, well, what the hell's going on? So I went to pull it out, and it wasn't even connected. So it was just broken, right? So I'm pretty sure what I did worked. So now I'm just letting it drain out. So yeah, I don't think I need anything here. All right. Okay, perfect. If I need anything, I'll give you a call. Williamsport for Compton. Yeah, it's off of Havenwood there. It's close to the other Bloor buildings. Yeah. All right. All right. Thanks a lot, Carm. Bye. All right, so we're just letting this drain out, and then we'll go from there. We'll check the elevator shaft afterwards, and we'll get back to you guys. I'm just gonna make this a little time lapse. It's probably gonna take 15-20 minutes for it to actually drain out, but for you guys it'll be a couple seconds type of thing. All right, guys, so you've seen the pump pumped out all the water, and I just checked the elevator shaft and the water's all gone from there. So this definitely was the right pump, and we're gonna just pull out the pump, put some zip ties around it, the float and the plug switch so that it doesn't get tangled up, and we're gonna be good to go. So I'm gonna have to double up these zip ties. You always want to make sure the floats, just give me 1 second, I'll show you. So the float is on this side of the pipe right there. You always want to make sure it's well away from the walls. So we're going to move it even just a little bit more to the right. And so if it ever comes down, it doesn't come down against the wall and get stuck. that. Oh, yes. All right. Now we gotta find some water and test this. Hello? Hey, was it Dan? Hi Dan, it's Jason from Drain Tech. Okay, so I'm all done here. The water all drained away. I took a look down the elevator shaft. Everything looks like the water's gone. So I don't know if you want it to come back or not, but everything looks. No, so I'm gonna let her know that I'm all done. If she asks, I'll let her know that you're on your way back because you want to do your inspection or whatever as well. All right, perfect. All right, thanks a lot. Hey, Dan, appreciate the help. All right, bye. All right, guys, there you go. This has been Jay, that drain guy, signing out. Chiragna.